In this video, I'll be showing you how to build Rapunzel's tower in Minecraft. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So first is the foundation and stem. Start by building a circle 7 blocks wide at the base using a mix of stone bricks, andesite, and tuff. As you build upward, which is roughly 25 to 30 blocks high, slightly decrease the diameter to 5 blocks to create a realistic tapered look. You can also use moss blocks and hanging roots near the bottom to make the tower look like it has been hidden in a forest for over 18 years. At the top of your stone stem, you need to flare the build outward, so use dark oak stairs placed upside down to create a sport ring that extends 2 blocks out from the stone. Build a 9x9 room on top of this ring using white concrete or calcite for walls and spruce logs for the corners. This creates the iconic overhanging house where Rapunzel lives. As for the roof should be a tall, steep cone. For material, use a block of amethystite or purple wool for the main color, and for the shape, start with a wide circle at the base and move inward by 1 block every 2 layers of height. At the very top, use a lightning rod or an end rod to create a sharp magical point. As for detailing, mix in some amethyst buds, and they catch the sunlight and make the roof shimmer just like in the movie. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.